I know what you're thinking. It's just a hitch, but there's more to it than that. I'm Lance, the install guy. Today on the Nancy Ride, we're talking hitches. When it comes to hitches, you can go to U-Haul, Walmart, and pick up a universal hitch. The only bad thing about a universal hitch is you're gonna have to drill holes or do some kind of cutting. The fact of the matter is that if you have holes in the frame already, that's because the manufacturer put them there. All the extra holes that you put in, you're causing a weakness in the frame. And what that means for you is you may not be able to pull what you need to pull. What I recommend is going with a Curt Hitch. They're vehicle specific, they fit perfect, and they use all the factory mounting. There's no modification, absolutely none. You use the existing holes in the frame, and it comes with all the hardware. I mean, you bolt it on and go. I mean, there's other hitches that do it, but Curt's the best. So now your hitch is installed, and you got a long haul coming up. I've got a simple add-on that'll make that trip a whole lot easier and a whole lot safer. Weight distribution. Distributes the weight of your trailer or your camper so that it doesn't sway when you're going down the highway. It's a standalone unit is what it is. It actually goes into your hitch. You stick it in the hitch where your ball would go, and then the weight distribution has a ball itself. Your trailer hooks it, and then the arms swing around and grab the tongue of the trailer and attach to it. You see, trailers get heavy. If you load and misload them or load them different, you got something heavy here and over here, over here, over here. So it's all off kilter, right? So what this does is it takes, when that trailer leans this way or leans that way, it's prone to sway. So this actually keeps it. It basically checks it. It's like, get back over here, you know? If you got a flatbed trailer, this might not be for you. But if you got a camper, it's a must-have. So we've talked about hitches, and we talked about add-ons for hitches. So let's talk about something that's always forgotten about, the wiring. The wiring is vehicle specific, just like the hitch. It's a T1 connector. It's a harness already built, cut to length and made to fit your vehicle. So there's no modification at all. If you're going for the clean look with no cutting, no splicing, no electrical tape, none of the ugly mess, then Curt vehicle specific wiring harnesses are the way to go. Plug and play, baby. This video wouldn't be complete if we didn't talk about the Mac Daddy, the motorhome, because they got a tow too. If you want to explore when you get where you're going, you got to tow a vehicle. If you're new to the motorhome world, there's only 2 words you need to know: Blue Ox. It's built for your vehicle. Plus, it comes with so many safety features that if that thing ever came loose, your car's not going to go anywhere. Blue Ox bolts to the front of the vehicle subframe and then has a tow bar that goes behind it and wiring to make the taillights on the car work so you can tow your vehicle behind your camper. I mean, that's all there is to Blue Ox, and they're the best. They're the best on the market. So if you need a hitch so you can tow, come see me, Lance. I got all the hitches.